How to fix, please turn off USB storage and try again in WhatsApp. First, check USB settings and disconnect USB storage. If you're using an older Android version, which is pre-Marshmallow for example, ensure your device isn't mounted as USB storage when connected to a computer. Go to Settings, Storage, and disable USB mass storage. For newer Android versions, this is typically not applicable. USB storage mode has been replaced with MTP. Still, confirm you're not set to a storage sharing mode. Second, review app permissions for WhatsApp. Navigate to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, and Permissions, and make sure storage permission is enabled so WhatsApp can access your internal storage, allowing media to download properly. Denied permissions can trigger storage-related errors. Third, ensure internal storage is available. Confirm you have sufficient free space on your device's internal storage, not just on an SD card. WhatsApp relies on internal storage to create folders and store data. If it's full or inaccessible, the app can't function properly. If none of these work, I'm afraid you're gonna have to update your Android. Make sure you're running the latest OS patch for your device. Some storage related bugs can be resolved with updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.